To streamline our customer supply chains, Momentum Manufacturing Group supports partial and finished assembly, kitting, packaging, and fulfillment configurations. Custom and proprietary assembly lines, supported by Kanban systems, streamline production and control costs, while ISO-certified processes and post-assembly testing ensure we deliver defect-free products. With a skilled workforce, expansive manufacturing and production space, and investments in advanced technology, we are a strategic partner for a range of industries. From food-grade fryers to complex logistics systems to complex hydroponics growing containers, we assemble over 250,000 finished products annually to drive greater agility for our customers. See for yourself how MMG can simplify your supply chain.